How to prepare for the Architects Registration Board's examination. Welcome to the UK Architects Registration Board. The ARB protects consumers and supports architects by requiring certain standards of education, training and practice of those on its register. Only those who are registered with the ARB can use the title Architect in the course of business within the UK. We've put together a series of videos to help you through the process of seeking recognition with us. This video is about preparing for the exam. Criteria. To ensure that everyone is treated equally, ARB applies the same criteria used by UK schools of architecture. You'll find the examination criteria in the booklet, Prescription of Qualifications, ARB Criteria, on the ARB website. The criteria for Parts 1 and 2 are held in common, and the difference is in the graduate attributes, so please read these carefully. Preparing for the exam. Information about the preparation of your supporting material, which is your supporting material and other documents, can be found in Steps 5 and 6 of the Before Examination booklet on the ARB website, which walks you through the preparation required for the examination. Here are some tips to help you prepare for the exam. Always remember, it is you who's being examined, not your school. The examination is evidence-based, and it's your skills, knowledge and ability that are being tested. Read the criteria carefully to make sure you have enough supporting material of the right quality to show that you fulfill each one. Use the comparative matrix template on the ARB website to enable you to cite your supporting material against the relevant criteria and clearly demonstrate how a specific piece of evidence satisfies that particular criterion. Use evidence from any period of your career, including university work, practice work, or even a competition entry for either part of the examination. This would even include Part 2 and/or Part 3 work for Part 1 examination. Include actual evidence. A common mistake made by some candidates is to put too much emphasis on course content and references, and not enough emphasis on material that actually evidences how and where the criteria have been met. Include drawings which show design work from beginning to end, including sketches and other material. Technical essays and dissertations, etc., can also be presented. Submit past design work that you'd now approach differently. Critically appraise the work, and explain what changes you would now consider making to improve the design solution. Include development work to show the progress of your design. Demonstrate how you considered the brief and developed your design at each stage of its development. Ensure resolution of design drawings is clear enough to convey your intentions. ARB has no preferred format, but construction drawings should ideally be presented at 1:20 scale. Submit the appropriate number of projects. 3 examiners have an hour to examine your supporting material, during which time you will not be present. Submitting a different project for each of the criteria would probably take too long. We recommend no more than 5 projects, excluding work such as essays and dissertations, and it's possible to cite well-resolved projects against a great number of the criteria. Keep projects together when putting together your supporting material. Even if you've cited projects against several criteria, avoid splitting and reorganizing projects to reflect that. Include at least 2 holistic designs for new buildings, which are entirely of your own authorship. Support any practice work with a reference from your employer, as described in the Before Examination Guidance booklet. Please use the template available on the website for this. Make sure you spend enough time preparing. The exam is rigorous, and it takes a long time to prepare the documentation and evidence. Feedback from successful candidates indicates that they've spent a considerable amount of time preparing material for the examination. Some rework drawings, enter competitions, and complete new designs to ensure compliance with the ARB criteria. Consider carefully the balance of quality and quantity of your material. Please read Steps 5 and 6 of the Before Examination Guidance document, as it could mean the difference between a pass and a fail. Please click onto Video 3 for advice about submitting your application.